What's up, guys? I was making a delivery out here in Houston, Georgia. And there's a tow yard across the street from where I was delivering. Look at what I spotted. There's a big bunk aerodyne. It's got a white motor in it, so it's got a kitty cat. Oh yeah. See if I can get a better view of it for you guys. Man, would you just look at it? She's a beauty. She is gorgeous. They said it's not for sale, but they did let me come out here and do a little video walk around. Man, it's in good shape. They said it's the boss man's daddy's truck. And he just won't get rid of it for nothing. I don't blame him. But it's just gonna sit here and rot if you don't. See if this door is unlocked. I'll say it's gonna sit here and rot. I'd say it already is rotting. Judging by the color, I'd say it was probably a old Mayflower truck. Man, look at that white interior. Well, what used to be white or cream, it ain't no more. She's gorgeous. Oh yeah, she's a beauty. Yeah, she's a beauty. And look what's over here. 1956 needle nose Kenworths. That one still runs and drives. They said that the KW cabover over here, it still runs. Doesn't drive obviously, but it does run. It's in rough shape. He said one day they're gonna put it back together, but you know, we've all heard that before. Alright guys, I'll get back with you later. Y'all have a good one.